Hello everyone. So our today's topic is again on regular expression only, and we are using here find all function that is inbuilt in regular expression. What we are checking is the word which is starting from either A or E, but not necessary to start. Like inside this we have A. Okay. So after that A, it is Y is there, so it will print AY also. So in plus sign because one or more. So control S F5 and we are getting answer AY and so wherever in the not in inside the word also if you find A, it will print that remaining things with that. So AY, again AY, then again and okay, then it is also like AE both. So EB, then again here AVE and likewise. So we have a message something like this, and from that message we are extracting only the things which is having actually A, and from that it will print that particular word, but not all the letters of that word, but from that point onwards, remaining letters. Thank you everyone.